What's happening, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm that guy, and this is going to be video in the three-part series. This is now going to make a 4-video, maybe 5. I don't know. It's going to be 1.5 though right now. Essentially where we're at with it. So as you can see behind me, the bike is tore down. The video is actually almost done for as far as the install goes. If you don't follow us on social media, as far as Facebook, aren't a part of any of the groups and stuff, the awesome groups that we're a part of, and you don't follow us on Instagram, then you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. We'll start with, if you've missed my other video of part 1, you need to go check that out, otherwise you're probably gonna be lost as to what I'm talking about here. So, the bore kit and all, we ran into a hiccup, nothing with the kit. It was actually my error. I was putting everything back together, and I could not find my handy dandy, my good torque wrench, my digital one. And anyway, ended up using a Harbor Freight one. And anyway, snapped the stud. So I had to order a new stud. Ordered it from 2 different places. And I was just gonna play roulette with whoever gets here the quickest. They did just ship it out this morning, so I should have it Saturday or Sunday. Other than that, everything is pretty much good to go. I've got, as far as cam and all installed, I've got the, as far as the retainers and all, on the valves done, pistons installed. I got another video that will have the ECU, which is installed on the bike right now. Another video as well for the genuine Honda anti-slip clutch. That is also already installed with the springs and all that stuff on the bike. So we've kind of been rocking and rolling. Should have been done obviously like over a week ago if I wouldn't have snapped that stud. We had to wait for it to come off of back order for a little over a week. So anyway, just finally did. Super pumped about that. As soon as this thing gets in, we will be pushing this video out to you guys, at least the part 2 of it, which will be the bore kit itself. So with that being said, I will go ahead and let you guys know as well. The other portion of this video I did want to let you all know is that we have officially teamed up with ForceCam in Brazil. So huge shout out to those guys, very grateful. They are, I've got the links in the description. If you guys want to go check out their website, you can translate their website and all. They don't have, as far as international orders go, for their website. So I have their email as well below. They already know, if you guys mention this channel, mention that guy 771 from YouTube, they will hook you guys up. You guys will have, they're gonna end up pushing out stuff, express shipping, which was amazing. Didn't have to wait a couple months to get anything, or a month plus to get something. No, ended up getting it actually in about a week and a half, which was absolutely phenomenal. So gonna open up a lot of doors as far as those guys are concerned. So whether you're looking for, whether it be replacement even pistons or you know, camshaft, anything to do with your valves, things like that, they've got you covered, as well as your bore kits. So whether you want to run a 275 rally, a 275 race, 310 rally, 310 race, 360 rally, 360 race, or just, you know, the ECU, whatever you guys want to do. They've got a lot of mix and match kits, and also it is not just for the 250F, it is for also the 230F. So if there's anybody out there running as far as a 230, they've got you covered as well there. As far as the kits they offer for the 230, I'm not too familiar with those, but they do answer any question that you guys have. They speak English, shoot them an email. They are super friendly, super helpful guys. Super pumped to be teamed up with these guys for all your guys' needs for as far as bore kit, you know, wanting to push a little bit more out of it that is going to be super reliable as well. I've seen a lot of the specs, I've seen the numbers, I've seen the reliability as far as talking to a few other people that have them from over there. So everything so far has lined up. I will get this kit completely finished, get this thing wrapped up for you guys and myself. Race season's about to kick off, y'all. I think my first race is probably gonna be in March. So yeah, I think it's March or April. I know we are doing GNCC in April in Monterey. So I think that's the old gray. Anyway, we will be doing that one. So anyway, it's right around the corner, y'all. So we got to get this thing cranking. Got to get some seat time in it. Got to get this thing dialed in. And we are not done yet with this big bore kit, I promise you. So if you guys have not already, please like, subscribe, share this with a friend. And anyway, I promise I will keep you guys posted. Hopefully to have this video completely finished. Well, the bike finished, that video finished, and out here to you guys by the beginning of the week. Y'all have an absolutely great weekend. Stay safe and hopefully stay warm if you guys are from a little bit of the northern areas. We'll catch y'all on the next go around. We'll see you.